Hi kids. Welcome to Bubbly Buds. Let's learn and grow together. Today, we're going to learn all about our amazing body parts, from our head to our toes. Get ready to learn them one by one. This is a face. Face. Our eyes. Eyes. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. This is a nose. Nose helps us to smell. Lips. Lips. Our teeth. Teeth. Our tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. Mouth. Mouth. Our ears. Ears helps us to hear. Head. Head. Cheeks. Cheeks. Hair. Hair. Neck. Neck. Shoulder. Shoulder. Arm. Arm. Elbow. This is our elbow. Hand. Hand. Fingers. 5 fingers. Thumb. Thumb. Nail. Nail. Chest. Chest. This is our stomach. Stomach. Our 2 legs. 2 legs. Knee. Knee. Thigh. Thigh. Foot. Foot. Toe. Toe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.